how to download happy mode on your iOS. Before starting the video, I would like to make this clear that yes, you can download happy mode on your iOS, but there is a catch. Before that, let me show you how you can download happy mode. First, go to your browser and search for happy mode, and then go to the first link, and then you will find this download button. Tap here. So press the download button. Now as you can see, it's downloading. Tap here, downloads, and there we go. We have download happy mode on our iOS, but the catch is you can't install happy mode on your iOS because it's an APK file, and on your iPhone APK file doesn't support. So yeah, you can download APK files, but you cannot install them. That's the catch. So hope this video is helpful. Hope I am able to save you a lot of time. If I am able to save you a lot of time, please like and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching.